Do I just scream poop on me? You're enjoying this. I just got sprayed by mud water now in the face. This has been miserable. Not actually.
Good morning. So lately we've been posting a lot of stuff of adventures that we've been doing, but today we're going to take it a little bit slower. We're going to have a little bit of a beach day and kind of go through the day in the life of a beach day in Hawaii.
Just like a chill Hawaii day.
So
where we're not going all over.
So here we go. So we're starting our day off with a walk. It's still pretty early in the morning, but you know, when we're not doing something really early, we like to kind of just go for a walk and get the morning started off right. And how could you not when you have palm trees and you got mountains in front of us, and it's a great way to start the day. It's a great way to start the day. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go to the beach right after that.
I have got all the sunshiny colors working today for the beach. Got my pinks and oranges on my bag, yellow shorts, bright pink swimsuit, so, and my towels, like, matching, so, yay! Alright, we are at the beach. We have secured parking.
Which is not easy.
No, it's not. It gets busy here. And we're grabbing the beach gear and headed to our spot. Alright, so we've got a plethora of snacks. We've got wheat thins, honey mustard Pringles, which are really good, and Maui style potato chips.
All extremely healthy, and
yep, we're like out of fruit and like bread for sandwiches, so that's what it is today. This is Dylan's beach read, killing crazy horse. This is my beach read, people we meet on vacation. So, I already finished one book though.
no. Let's see your best handstand.
Alright, buddy. Wait, the water's starting to pull me. I think I'll show you until after this pulls me back. Alright, ready?
Wow. Alright, last one. Last one.
Alright, ready? Wait.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Hi, Dylan.
Hello.
What's your favorite part about being on the beach?
That I like to position myself downwind from you so I don't smell you for the whole day, and it's really nice. It gives my nose a break.
Cut.
After about 5 hours in the sun. Whew.
Hot, crazy, crazy beach here.
So, we're gonna head back to the apartment, maybe change, and we're gonna find a place for lunch / dinner.
We're like sweating.
I know.
I can see the beads of sweat dripping off your face. Ricky is sending us off to dinner. Hi! We're going to Down the Hatch in Lahaina, which was featured on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dive-Ins. Diners,
Drive-Ins, and Dives.
Guy Fieri.
Triple D. So we're gonna go there for It's 5 o'clock now. This is dinner.
Yeah, I guess we did make it kind of close to that because we got a little nicer. I still have my like salty beach hair, but we got dressed a little nicer.
So time for some food. I'm just absolutely famished, so I can't wait.
Me either.
Wow.
These are good fries, I can tell. Is this like a whole lobster sauce?
No, it's just like a lava sauce. It's amazing. Here we go.
Where do I bite?
No, yeah, actually bite it.
I don't want to.
Come on, you got it. Come on.
I don't want it.
Come on. Come on. So, what did we think?
It was good. I'm so full.
I give mine, I would give it a 9 out of 10. It was really, really good.
I'd probably give mine like an 8. Like it was like a good burger. You know what I mean?
Burger,
But
fries were good.
It wasn't like, holy crap, this is the best burger I've ever had.
Now we're gonna go maybe catch the sunset.
We might go pitch a hammock now, so.
Yay! Ta-da! Ta-da!
Time for me to get in. I don't even know if I can get in.
You gotta jump up.
I can't feel that fast burst on it though.
You're fine. Goodbye, little caterpillar. Now we're gonna turn her upside down.
Reporting live from inside the hammock. Dylan is outside setting up his drone. Hello, live from inside the hammock. Dylan is setting up the drone and I am cocooning, ready to turn into a butterfly soon. Likely a monarch. Yeah, I'll give you a peek of what my environment is. Ready? Go.
In there? I don't know anymore.
Peekaboo! Do I just scream poop on me? Why is this the second time that I have gotten pooped on by a bird right on the knee while here? You're enjoying this.
You're just very
like
poopable.
I feel like crying. Can you get it off?
It's literally the tiniest bit of poo.
It's still poo.
Look how poopable she is.
No. Oh, I just put my hand up there too.
She's gotten pooped on twice this trip.
Right in like nearly the same spot too.
Anything you want to say? Why that bird pooped on you? What did you do to disturb the bird?
You want to know what happened? You really want to know what happened? What happened was that Dylan flew his drone towards the birds and quite literally like scared the shiz out of them. And so they pooped on me.
Oh, the sun's gone.
Oh, sunshine! Was there water on your feet? I just got sprayed by mud water now in the face. This has been miserable. Not actually. wait for it. It's gonna come. It's so bad.
So Kiki's got her ice cream.
I started having a coughing fit and then got a hiccup fit now.
She's got her ice cream now. She's okay. I cleaned up the bird poop on her knee, but now she's having convulsions, some sort of terrible hiccup. I don't know what's going on, but I'm proud of her. Look at her. That's our day. We're very tired from the sun. Lots of fun adventures, and we're gonna get ready for bed. So, thanks for following along. Remember to, what should you do?
I think they know, but, or wait, how can we make this like Dora? What is she like? I don't know. So, you at home, like, what's the next thing to do?
And hiccup.
Like, hiccup, and subscribe.
Goodbye.
Comment too if you want.